Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a new character in Dungeonborne. First, you will want to go into the character list. You can do it by tapping F1 or clicking this setting here. Now we are in Select Character screen. Now we can add a new character by tapping the plus icon. We will need to choose a new class now. As you can see, there are a few classes available to be picked. Here you can see there is a fighter, priest, rogue, pyromancer, death knight, cryomancer, swordmaster, and druid. Each of them have their own unique skills and passive skills. Also, as you can see, each of them boasts a unique lineup of stats. They each have their pros and cons, their racial bonds, and what weapons can you equip while playing as them. For the sake of demonstration, I will choose a rogue. As you can see, I can wield 100 swords, crossbows, daggers. As a human, I have more inventory space, and I am having few different skills to use. I will go for swift concealment to instantly engage stealth. And I will get evaporate to enter stealth back when killing an enemy. Or maybe lifesteal when stealthed. That would be much more useful. After you are done selecting your character, simply, of course, you can switch between genders as well. After you are done, tap select. Now you are right into the customization of appearance. You can choose from some preset face variations. You can change your skin tone and eye color. For example, I will go like that. You can style your own hair, your facial hair, and you can change even your hair color. In the details section, you can choose to give your character some scars and some markings. You can customize the color of the markings, as well as the color of the makeup, which you can choose here. He looks hideous, don't you think? Perfect. Alright, after you are done customizing your abomination, click Finish. Now you will need to select whether to hide your helmet. I will hide it. And you need to type in a unique name. And I will type in unique name. Apparently it was not taken. Well done. And that's how you make a new character. Thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.